Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are preparing banku with okra stew. Ingredients for the banku and okra stew include corn dough, cassava dough, kosher salt, palm oil, okra, red onions, green bell peppers, powdered pepper, powdered salt, Toolo beef, salmon, Wele, crabs, 1 maggi cube, a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, fermented stinking fish or Momoni, and some water. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to prepare the banku, and with this process I have 2 other recipes on the channel relating to the preparation of banku. One is preparing banku and tilapia, and the other one is preparing banku with red fish. So you can check out any of those 2 recipes in my local Ghanaian authentic cuisine playlist. So I'm just going to be very fast with this side. Now we are going to pour the okra into a bowl, add some water to it, slice it into 4 halves and then cut it into pieces or chop it into pieces until all the okras are chopped like this. Then we add some water to it. Now cook it in its juices for 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes at most, depending on how light or slimy you want it to be. We are going to wash the wele in a bowl of water and then cut it into the preferred sizes. As you can see, some are already chopped and the others aren't chopped. So we leave the ones that are chopped and then we cut the ones that we want to cut into pieces as well. When that is done, we move on to washing of the beef and then cutting it into the preferred sizes. Then when that is done, we move on to adding some onions onto it and then cooking it for about 10 minutes or more, depending on how tender or tough you want the meat to be. When it cooks for 5 minutes, we move on to washing the crabs and then piercing the middle parts so that it can also be cooked. Then after that, we move on to the cooking or preparing of the okra stew itself. I'll pour the palm oil into the saucepan we'll be using today and then allow it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll wash the stinking fish and then add it into the heated palm oil. Allow it fry for 3 to 5 minutes as I use the ladle to kind of break it and mix it with the oil. This is done to flavor the oil to give it kind of a nice taste as well. Next, I'll add in the chopped red onions and then allow that fry for about 2 minutes as well. When that is done, I'll pour into it already blended green pepper. Add some water to it and rinse it off from the blender cup. Add it into the palm oil and the pepper sauce and allow it boil for 5 minutes. As it's boiling, I'll add in a 1/4 tablespoon of powdered pepper to spice it up in a different way to my taste. But this is an optional step you can skip. You can only use either powdered pepper or the green pepper. That is something you can choose depending on how best you want your stew to taste. When that is done, I'll give it a thorough stir and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. As it boils to kind of reduce the water in it, I'll then start introducing the cooked beef one by one. Then next I'll move on to adding in the wele one by one as well. Then I'll add in the crabs. After that, I'll let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes in the sauce as I stir it together nicely. When that is done, I'll add in the already washed and broken salmon pieces. Stir that together with the sauce to cook for 3 to 5 minutes as well. And finally, I'll add in the okro that was cooked earlier and then stir it together with the rest of the sauce. Now allow that to cook for 10 minutes. When that is done, we'll add in our spices, which is the maggi cube to taste. And then if I adjust it to my preference and I feel like it needs a little bit of salt, I'll add in the salt. If not, I'll leave it just as that. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.